How to repot a cactus. First, you take some rocks and you make a rock base, ½ inch thick or 1 centimeter thick, something like that. That's just some decorative rock, but you can use any type of small rock. Then you take some cactus soil, put in a bit of cactus soil, then you take your cactus, remove the old cactus. If the roots are all bunched up, you have to free them up a little bit. If they're not overgrown, then you can just leave them. Free the roots up a little bit. Put the cactus in the new pot. Test to see the level you want your cactus to be at. If necessary, add some more soil. Make sure you put the soil at the same level it was before. And now all you do is put the soil around it to make it full. Then clean your cactus with a brush, gently. That's it. And after it's done, you shouldn't water it for a few days. That's how you repot a cactus.